Check, 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 check. Okay, so today, another episode with another great pile of news. Today I'm going to show you that another CEO for marketing or for crypto was hired just few moments ago. What is happening? Everyone is shilling cryptos. Everyone is shilling cryptos. So watch out. Plus, I will remind about some coins that now other people are talking that could be, these coins could be inside your portfolio for 2024. And this, what I was telling since the very beginning on this channel and on my main channel, is happening now. More people see that thing. So I think this trend will explode in 2024. And we are just at the beginning. Let's go to this episode. Hello and welcome, my name is Matthew and welcome in this episode. So everything I'm gonna say here is non-financial advice. I'm not financial advisor, I'm just a dude like you and me. So let's go. So first of all, very quick, Bitcoin, I have adjusted our channel as you remember, and Bitcoin now is in this correction channel. We had a nice correction of this correction, of this bigger correction. So today, this is the trend, this is correction. This is just a local correction, and we are broken. You're broke. You're broke. Bam. We're going down now. Okay. So at the moment, I see this as a wave 3, and if we will take a look here, this, I think this wave is not finished yet. So we're gonna bounce here for a while, and then I think we're gonna go down to 26. Or 25 and something, okay? Let's go to liquidation levels, and we can see that, look, at 26,000, we have a lot of liquidations here. And then another one, 25 and a half, another pile of liquidations. But the very, very big liquidations are at 23 and a half. I don't know, do we have so much sell power for this liquidation? So what now? How to look at Bitcoin? Look, if we have this wave down now here, we are looking at this volume. This volume was very high. It means many people sold their bags. At the moment, we don't have many sellers. That's why I think we're gonna bounce sideways, or this is our bottom for the moment. And we could start printing higher highs. I don't know, I just need more data. So for the moment, I'm not looking at this. What I want to show you is that ILV that was showing yesterday is losing momentum. It is disappearing from our on-chain analytics here, from Moralis. And look, Illuvium is at 19th place. You remember yesterday was, I think, 5th or 6th, okay? It's gone. So I'm not looking at Illuvium anymore. It's just, for the moment, it's gone. If it's gonna come back in our volume, then I'm gonna look at the technical analysis, okay? That's it. But another coin that I'm looking, and it's, damn, it's just looking good, is Polkadot. Look, Polkadot is for a trade. We are at the oversold area in RSI on daily, okay, and at the 5 hours. So at the moment, what I'm looking is divergence, and then Polkadot could rise, could have a correction. So look, every wave, one moment, every wave, whether it's an impulse or downtrend, has correction. And on this correction, we could trade that thing. So if coin is at the oversold, you're doing the back proof. You see oversold here, bounce. Oversold here, small bounce. Oversold here, bounce. Oversold here, bounce. Oversold here, bounce. Look, that's not rocket science. You see that? That's not rocket science. Now, it's going to be easier for you to read these charts a little bit better. Once I will start recording my tutorial videos, will be very easy, very fast, so you can even watch them when you are going on smoke or whatever, okay? So that's gonna be so easy. So I'm looking at Polkadot. My entry is exactly here where we are. I think we could go down to $3.50. And the proper entry could be at the level here at $3.7. If Polkadot will rise and it will gonna get that level, that could be something. So for the moment, I don't have any other coins. Okay, we're gonna go back to them. I would go to info here. Look, gold is falling. Probably you heard that in the many news. Okay, gold is going down. However, if we're gonna take the fast-paced algorithms, we could use them to place our position. So for the moment, the big boys aren't buying gold. So the gold is falling, okay? Once we're gonna see here activity buying and long here, so the short position will be reduced. That's gonna be something. Let's go to the gold. Let's see how the gold operates. The gold. So gold, yesterday we could see that what I was telling that we're gonna go to that level, and then we're gonna maybe have a resistance. So if at the moment, if we're gonna print higher low, here we could observe that these machines could start buying, and then our gold could go to the upwards. Okay. However, if we're gonna be start falling and we will not see these algorithms buying, I think we may go to the downside, like, to the more downside, and then no brainer, buy, because everyone will fear. Okay, everyone will fear. Everyone is at the fear now because currently Nasdaq reminds previous Black Monday, okay, from 1987 and from 1929. Okay, look, the same setup. So everyone is thinking now that if we go to Nasdaq, okay, we could see that once this is lower high, according against this, we could just do a fall. Okay, dramatic fall. What I'm thinking is that as long as we are above this resistance 66, okay, we could print higher high. This is exactly what I was telling yesterday on the video. If you didn't watch the video, just go and see the video. It's like yield from 2 years bonds, okay, and the federal funding rate versus S&P 500. The correlation is visible since last 20 years, okay? That's why I think if we're not gonna see fall below that yellow level, we could go up to new all-time high, and then everybody who is saying about this crash and so on will be caught in the trap, because the people will FOMO in, so fear of missing out. They will start buying, and then they're gonna be caught. But I explained this yesterday, okay? So I just don't want to kind of do it every single day. Another news is that, you remember yesterday, JP Morgan, this is the news, launched this tokenized platform, and BlackRock is leveraging this platform. So it's using this platform to use different, let's say, equities and fixed income, whatever that means, okay, to create collateral for the derivative positions. Now, I think this solution will create a massive liquidity flow for a bull run in 2024. However, at the end of 2024, this bomb, this atomic bomb, once it's gonna explode, like in the Big Short movie, yeah, I don't know, but it's gonna be just, I don't know, it's like a comet from the space, okay, comet from the space. And here is something that I was telling from the long time now, and now somebody else is telling. So the reason why it's useful to have exposure to Telegram trading bots is very simple. As soon as most people on-chain realize that they are at significant disadvantage to those using them, okay, they will become the staple way of executing and trading, okay? So imagine yourself that, you can't use exchange, but you have your wallet, and this wallet will give you functionality of the exchange. That's something big, and you don't have to pass KYC, you don't have to do anything. That's a huge advantage. Plus, if you buy something, the tax that you have to buy, sometimes the bots are using arbitrage and you pay more. With the sniper bots, that's gone. So look how many advantages. And that's why you don't have to use these bots. You understand? You don't have to use, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Look, you can include them in your portfolio, okay? I don't know, like, just give me a moment, give me maybe the text in the comment in the comments that you know what I'm talking about. You know how to buy them on the Uniswap or on MetaMask, okay? So these bots, they have their own coins, which now have a very low market caps, and I think the potentials from them is up to 100x, kind of natural, not big deal, okay? So I'm looking at ASAP, okay? I'm looking at Mbot, who's falling now. I'm waiting here $1.7, and that's gonna be huge part of my portfolio, okay? Mbot is one of the projects, one of the bots who has team did KYC, so they are official. It's not some sort of anonymous team who will decide, well, we have a lot of money now, see ya, suckers, okay? So that's something. So I would say that Mbot, and another one is Dung, but they don't have the KYC done. But well, it's a risky project as well, like the others. But I'm buying this at the beginning before everyone else is buying, because I see the use case. Okay, so Dung is for me. Then another one is a Mbot. Mbot also no KYC, but I'm waiting lower. Like at the moment, just read about ASAP, read about Mbot, okay, and read about Dung or even Dark. Dark is a quite good project as well. So try to include them maybe if you're building. Look, they have a very small market caps. Like 10x from this market cap, it's 3.6 millions. That's nothing. Like 3.6 millions, nothing. 36 millions is nothing. In a bull market, this is low cap project then. Low cap. You understand? So I think this could go between 36 to 360 millions. Yeah, that's I'm not kind of over colorizing this, okay? I'm not like I was in the first bull market. 2017, that was my first one. 2020 was my second one. This one will be my third one, okay? So I remember when I was telling people from my previous work, yeah, that well, the Ethereum is so low. Listen, it's so potential. Nobody was listening to me. Nobody was listening. Nobody. Bam. That's the way it is. We're at the beginning of this thing, okay? So that's the way. Let's go to some news, okay? Look, Google search for Bitcoin returns to 2020 levels, okay? So nobody is talking about Bitcoin. Nobody is talking about crypto. Nobody is talking about them. Nobody. This is the time that, let's say, a small savings in alternative saving methods could do something. Now, I'm not financial advisor, and I'm not going to tell you to buy. You have to do it in your own interest, buying from some sort of broker, buying from whatever, okay, whatever. I'm not a broker, I'm not financial advisor, so I'm not going to tell you. But try to think, try to spend a little bit of time. Watch this video, watch another videos, okay? I'm going to be having tutorials here so you can see. And we hired, Krypto hired another CEO of marketing. Look, Ethereum could explode by over 2,100%. Okay, so in other words, it's 21x Ethereum could do. Okay, according to blah blah blah, so many figures. Global Bank report. Oh my God! So Global Bank is another Schiller, another CEO of marketing. Thank you. Welcome. Okay, welcome. So blah 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 blah. What information is here hidden? First of all, it's hidden that they are having Ethereum and they want to shill it. So you want to buy the Ethereum to put the price up, and they will be buying Ethereum. They're gonna be using all marketing agencies. They are in a CNBC article. They're gonna be everywhere. Okay, to buy Bitcoin, to pump that asset, because their clients needs to have a yield. And like you have a direct access thanks to different app. Like I have one app which is below the description. It's Swissborg. I'm using this since like over 3 years now. Like you have direct access to buy that sort of stuff. You don't need rocket science, like, you know what I mean? So that's the first message. Second message is that they don't know what they are talking about. I think so, because they say it's gonna go to the 35,000 after hitting 8,000 in about 3 years. Hello, the cycle is 4-year cycle in crypto. Year 3 will be the epicentrum of bear market, future bear market in 2026. Okay, so I don't think so. They know what they're. Oh, look, level by the end of 2000. Yeah, you will see like this. So they're gonna be shilling this. That's why it's a huge momentum now. That's why it's a huge opportunity now. Okay. So remember, if the fear and greed index, you just look at this website, alternative.me. Okay. If this will gonna fall, okay, use this website. If the fear will be on the market, just use this website. Everything which is gonna be below 20 and 10 on this graph, I am buying. I am buying because entire market is at fear. Blood on the street. Blood nobody wants. Oh no, crypto is a scam. Don't buy, crypto is a scam. Well, that's the way it is. That's the way it is. So observe that. That's it for today. Remember about your portfolio. Okay, remember the portfolio. These small coins could give a lot. I wouldn't put too much. Okay, I'm not putting too much on them because what will happen if this project will disappear? It's always a risk. Remember, risk is healthy. We are not being taught about the risk from the way as education system provides us to do. It's always, oh no, it's dangerous, it's risky. Oh no, don't do it, it's risky. Oh no, we're not gonna do it, it's risky. Without the risk, nobody is able to develop further. Okay? So, talk to you tomorrow. That's it for today. Remember, Crypto Bear Trap channel for the dude like you and me. See ya.